Olebito mrungi nakushemerera nakutangirira aha program Ensinganto orirota orirebhoro amashomero gariyo ngazagaruka mukuhumuruka aberere abayene basibo muka mutine cy'umurukora. Now this is the time wana manyango tirotine cyo gukora tine cyo barakuguje wana manyango tiryo mukoshitamire obino manyango shopping list yawe tubarabikuhereze mwene kora bino mango bino kora buri kimwe abazire no bashemeza shopping list yawe batekwa kubikugurira byona abo kwanture bashobore twasigaze biro bice byonka tukagaruka ishomero tuyijana program Ensinganto kandi buramukaga shaisha tune zo mukasheshe mpaka harishahina netwa twizira handitse cyakreya erizoba turi Oxford Modern School erishomero ndishango muri Biguri Kamwenge ishomero y'inabana babojona nabishi nerishomesa jabana nergunjura kurunja abana kandi batwinire bingeri izuba bine graduation y'abana bayine bargo mu top class nbaza on primary 1 abana basingire bakabine inter house competitions babaherezana n'ekirabo cyo noza kuba no cerebera ekirabo cyangwa munonga abana bakashemerwa abeje bashemerwa abashomesa bashemerwa mwene twinire bingi on program Ensinganto kikuru tambura nitwe orebe bingi.
At last. Thank you. My name is Aragan. I'm in middle class. My teacher is Jackie. I have a daughter. My head is messed up. My head water. Yes, go for the a cabbage. Welcome. We are the members of Islamic group at Oxford Modern School, Biguri. We have two presentations for you to their message. The first one is about, we have the Islamic poem and the Islamic months of the year. This calendar is known as the Hijran calendar. Ana Muslim Sadira, Yowenjo Muslim Muto, Uhibullah, Nikunda Allah, Li'anahu halakana, Ahabokwan Weyampanjire, Walabani, Kanda Kandera, Ila al-Islam, Muslim, Wayajibu Aleya, Nichinka Kataho, Ana Atakida, Okwichizano Kakasa, Bihamsat Alkan, Empajitano, Al-Awalu, Eyokubanza, Ashhadu, Allah ilaha, illallahu, wa ashhadu, anna Muhammadan, abduhu wa rasuluhu, eya kabiri, ikamu sala, eya kashatu, ikamu zaka, eya kana, som Ramadan, eya katalo, hijil baiti liman istataha ilayhi sabila. We are going to present to you the Islamic months of the year. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, those are the months in Islam. Jamadat Awwal, Jamadat Thani, Rajab and Shaban, Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan and Shawwal, Dhul-Qa'dah and Dhul-Hijjah. Those are the months in Islam. Shomero ya Oxfordi, twino kwesima kwinji munonga, twino kwesima kwinji munonga. Ahai shomero ya Oxfordi, ahai shomero ya Oxfordi. Nitulie vitoche, hamwe no mucheri, nitulie vitoche, hamwe no mucheri. Ahai shomero ya Oxfordi. Vino kwesima kwinji munonga, vino kwesima kwinji munonga. Ahai shomero ya Oxfordi, ahai shomero ya Oxfordi. We are the members of primary 2 from Oxford Modern School, Biguri. We have a poem. Listen to Long live Uganda. Long live our director. Long live Oxford Modern School Biguri. Motto is for a bright future.
Watabartse yo mukahumiro tshiri Oxford Modern School omuri Biguri ishomereri ndishomesa abana babojana nabiki ndishomesa kurugaha nasari mpaka hakibina cya mushanju biterizo baturi omu graduation ceremony y'abana ba top class abana bargo mu nasari nabaza on primary 1 abana babini ku graduatinga abana bajwara na gauni echo ntibanze batera muhimbo gwa mani ngo mwana ugwene kujwara gauni ashome munonga abiteke mwa mani ngo na ha university yaba yashire yo abase kujwara gown kandi ashemeza abazirebeye bitwire na house inter-house competitions abana yone bahaya no mu maju nkokora beno byerebera binji munonga abasingire babaherezente ente kikaba kiri kintu cyango munonga babe batakukimanya ngo ceruho konka mukama katuyamba batuherezente rizo babasinga babaherezente kandi cyo ntutero muhimbo itwe nkabato ko kuba wakore kintu bakakusima umuzira akakusima note kwa kongera mwamani mwene tugambira abazire bitungu twaguma twareta report tukozire kurungi mutusime abeji twazagaruka yishomero mureke tuzayishomero tuteke hamani ubundi twakoraje bakatsima tubikirize tumureho tsiri Oxford Modern Biguri netugaruka Watabartse yo mukahumiro ukine cyakrea program Ensinganto bito bundi kwa kwasa kushanga ngo bundi twabantu gitandika ningasho twagikizerwa hagati utakayebuza utababarinka hituri Oxford Modern Biguri ishomeri kushomesa abana babojona bikiryo muri Kamwenge kandi erizoba twine mukorerwa mani uguturi kumanya ka graduation ceremony abana nabargo mtop nibazo mu primary twatwine na inter-house competitions abana bahaya no mizani itariye mwenemwe kandi twatwine kureba basingana baha tushiri Biguri kato yongereye turebe abane batwinire
muza kubahereza certificates.
Asahe kanya chiro mjeni mkuru azwika abana ba nasare kuzo primary omutongore.
During this period, I take this honor, I take the opportunity to graduate all the little ones we have in front here from the nursery section to P1.
Engaro zamani. Ije sample ingemuka chaho. Tero mungaro. Bana ba nursery, especially top class, graduating to primary section. Senti judo muri mariona akora ni mureba. Kamera chikwatize amaguru n'engaro. Our guest of honor, thank you so much for the wonderful work you are doing. Batu batambuka nursery section barigamu barimunga zo mu primary section 12.4. Bebale munonga, our guest of honor. Tutandika omukoro gw'okuweereza certificate z'abaana.
Aza kuratirwa inamane dareni.
Mazima tugende tukuratire mpora. Ajaba muri izina ya kulataho. Agondora abazire bona mazima bamukuratira. Desha abantu munonga. Kandi ndisha wa Oxford. Ndikirunje cyo mazima mwana mwitwara. Next mazima bano hikahi. Basaka bano hikahi mazima jeneno mweji wawe. Ubigire hari mazima. Ebintu engineer stage wa musyaho na mwete chendikiro kimunonga mazima turiyo tutambura mpora begia adaren
na kuraturwa ayine mbabazi michel
jira next mayahura ukengia for the cadres of the school Oxford Modern Primary School in Biguri Kamwenge district being on national graduation day program is being 20 years November 2023 Injirate tuliyo tutambura mpora at Oxford Modern Primary School in Biguri Kamwenge district Enjirano mrebo mweja hamwe n'umuzirewe basa kubandi betembera mazima baba basa kubandi bakwireza yakandikawe next mazima ni we bano yetereza kubano temba on the stage ayoliza again
next one
let's be attentive to another the next election be ready to pull up on the ground kumaliza message where are you kumaliza message
hii ya waiting
mazima tukihi adwase kwanto ishira hii mazima as you are making it perfect of the day chitidisirunjocho mazima get ready watakaso certificate yao mazima bakajerezo ndizo mweje let's be attentive
chair has come
alright
wara prateho
akatkunda where are you njia pale
by anti represent
mazima ndasa kwa mkahihi waho rizina yawe ukakuira represent blessed where are you Kikayi mazima blessed where are you mazima zeso morwawo nero abazira lekatisha kingewe
Yes naza
bora
Jeremia
where are you Jeremia basakwa na kahihi mazima
na tumanya Jeremia ize Nazaria sepra Jeremia
Beka chikana
Hakurumati followed by Kindumia Chasimire
where are you Swapareta
Hakurumati
but basakwa na kahihi Alright. Are we making this international really? We are enjoying the show. We are enjoying the show. Bashana bazima. Neri. Mary hoya hu. Mary siya pare.
Ryan tare maneri.
Mazima mbase kwa mwikahi hichi wasegwa.
Abase kuba marach mama. Oni sonkono kwa we. Amashemera gijune juya yefune.
Aya mbuza. Weka siwe nurgaka hii kureva kumanya hukurga. Ready to come to my place. All right. Agamba to my place abantu basekera kimwe. Okay, simpe.
And runners, your role is to grab. And I need to chow it down. Back office. Most welcome. Tunaanza kushara keki. Amechibabi. Tunaanza kushara keki amechibabi. Baza kulisa. Para hizo. Aha. Walisa mashaka babi. Amashomesa. Na name chibabo. Akwara basiyeke. We are rotating around the table looking for the next gang. Right, choose it out.
I also thank our teachers for sharpening us ever since we reached here. Thank you very much, our teachers, for teaching us very well. Give them yogurt. Lastly, I thank our grandparents for supporting us with school fees and other school needs. My fellow graduates, join me and we give flowers to our parents for nurturing us. May the good Lord reward you. Thank you for listening to me. I wish you a safe journey back home for God and my country. Yay!
May God bless you. Ingaro zamani munonga.
convert the points to percentages which determine their positions of houses. So the last house has 31,691 points. When you convert it into the percentage, the average percentage, you get 76%. And that one ranks that house in the last position. And that is none other than Makerere University. So Makerere are in the fourth position. The third house, Enzoya Akashatu, it has 32,203 points. When you convert it into the percentage, you get 76.8%, and that one puts it in the third position. So mwenenzo ndio mwanya kwa Akashatu echireji ni Kampala International University. Kuna kanzu ya Akashatu. Hata azaanzu ya kabiri. The second runners up. The second house has 30,948 points. That is 81.3%. That one puts it in the second position. And that is none other than Chambogo University. So Chambogo and Kijona Nagakari. The first house has 31,834 points. That is 82%. That one puts it in the first position. That is Kumba University House, the Reds. I declare Kumba House University House the winners of term 3, 2023, and they should take their trophy. Chance of Chambogo University House. KIU House teachers.
KIU, third position. They are the second runners up. KIU are the second runners up. And beside. Well done. KIU, teacher, second runners up. Well done. University House. Well done. University House. Well done. Next time we'll take it. Well done. Another judge. Judge teacher. Well done. Another judge. Another judge who is here. Another judge, yes. Judge, well done. Did a good work. Yes. Where is Chadon?
Chadon, if you are around, you are
Chadon, quickly come here. How can they come out so fast? Where is the other one? Well done. Other players, well done. Well done. Yeah, well done.
Take it deeper.
rine rya ruhanga kungita katwasa nguturumurindire turutemwe byetago abantu baranga bashomeremu bashemererwe bajware za diguri na digurizi bayambi hangeri nesi yona wenu terero hango mungaro abasire bagenzera bamwe kunkabari yahantu basima mwe bari kumusiriza n'ababarobona be bari kwisha kandi tumanya amaraka nikaza kubashangana y'umuri hona wenu twasima kukutabana banyo mashomero kutamwa mana no kwegesa kandi nkaburikiro umugambi wabena habura owashomere munonga akagira ngo buragwa obukuro bukirayo ubwo muzire arubasa ko mwana we no kwega weno rwayashomesa umwana we nayamuraga ikintu cy'amana munonga ikiri kushira ibindi byona abana bakushoma mugerera bazire banyo mungaro bariyone babakorera ikintu ikikirayo ibindi byona gambira umwana kuri yarubashu utitata na mama nibankorera ikikirayo ibindi byona batera umungaro mwebare no kwebembera kuba bamwe bashobora kwebembera ihanga shomesa abana bakiya yobonero buna aggregate 4 kiri kintu cyanguhi ukashanga abana babiri biyayo aggregate 4 abana bangahi mu mwaka tubayo wonero buna aturunse banguranga kitkorere no mwaka tubayo abobonero buna n'imyaka ndijo yona so abashomesa ni baba abashomesa abana bena mwire cya Stuart and team mugambira cya Stuart cya Dixon cya James, please you come over here.
Nyenda kusime mnonga aho kutambura nitwe kuyahita tanja program eji mpaka tugishikize ahashaha yo kugihendera program y'Ensinganto tubanje kutera hubura mukaga shaisha tuzo mukasheshe mpaka harshahina abeji ababari nitwe ha program y'Ensinganto ni kushabango waguma wateka ho TV yawe burura mukaga okare program y'Ensinganto reka kubura kugira cyo wayega gire cyo wakopa hari mweje mutahi wawe gire cyo wihaho gire cyo wayegaho nyense cyabase kugira cyakuyamba program eji mtubantureba abana bataba bo kureba itontu tukunda kuzana umwana yabatazanire biromanya ngo hinekere kumushasha biromanya ngo hinekere kumuteganisa bentu aturi Oxford Modern School ishomere kushango muri Biguri Kamwenge ishomereri babine graduation ceremony abana ba graduating and bari go top class za middle za top byo babisibura hatubana baza on primary level P1 up to P7 abana baba bajweka gowns bari kubereka nyense yabo ngo bine kugumizamo bakashoma na gawunezi bakajijwara ha university babine interhouse competitions emizane tari yemwe nemwe abana bahayahayana kandi abasinga twaba twinente enteji yatutereke ekintu cyango mnonga abo kwantureba nkitwa beji kuri kutusimu tumanyisa ngo twakora ntuza kongera amani mwana muzirana mango batari kusima mwerere wawe musimi otareba ngo nyencha kare ecu wabo musimire yacongera amani turatukusime kandi tukunde umwejo ryo noza kuhumurka teka mwamano rengo wahumurka kurungi kandi wahikayishomero hurutiza abashomesa bawe hurutiza abazire bawe ubase gukora grade nungi omuzire omunjere mwamani agokuronda school fees nabandi cyakreya kandi nyine klifa kamera reka twendeze izo barungi